This one's for you and me, living out our dreams. We're all right where we...
Tapos kung ibang kinakasal, babae umiiyak. Dito, ito si Ino umiiyak. Ha? Tama na, tama na. Ha? Tama na. Kinakasal ka na. Okay na yan, ha?
Today, we end our diet. We can start eating again. I promise to be a faithful husband, a loving daddy to our kids, and I'll work hard to provide the best for us.
Sabi nila, tama na, okay, huwag nang dagdagan yung bato.
Hindi na na-upload namin.
This one's for you and me, living out our dreams. We're all right where we should.
Why are you doing that? I don't know.
Open my eyes, and now all I wanna see is a sky full of lighters, a sky full of lighters.
Know that I am blessed. With a life filled with people that give me such great joy. Though life may not always be perfect for anyone, still, I would not have it any other way. This is the life that I thank God for each day.
Ito yung okasyon na no matter how early, no matter nandyan sila, importante in this occasion, God is present telling you, I have chosen you for the two of you. For you and me, living out our dreams. We're all right where we should be. Lift my arms out wide, I open my eyes, and now all I wanna see is... And God does not commit any mistake in choosing. Palalo niyong ipuprove to the coming years that God has not made a mistake in the choosing Ino for Claude and Claude for God.